What's your voice?
It's not, it's bullshit. It's true, you are a bunso. Yes, if I'm not water. You are. No?
Can you please
Yes.
minimize your
No.
voice? Lower your voice, please. Because your daddy is still sleeping.
Well, Brick is going to my place, but I am not taking anything from him. I'm just borrowing it. And Brick don't want me to borrow his stuff.
Bricks,
That's
why
so
didn't
mean.
you? Oh, you're so mean, Bricks. Can you please let her borrow your toys? Huh? Let
I
your
did.
let your ate borrow your toys. Dali.
A robot.
What?
A robot.
Robot? Why robot?
I'm just gonna borrow it because my grade one died. Ooh.
You're so funny.
Yeah,
And Bricks,
I am.
Bricks, it's true that you are bunso.
It's not.
Why it's not? Why?
It's not true. It's not. I'm gonna find. I think it's a long time. Goes.
Bunso ka kasi nagdedede ka pa nga sa bote eh.
It's not true. Hey, Bunso is not going to school.
Yes.
What? And you're a Bunso. Why? I have a ready school, but you still don't have any teacher. What is planning? What are you planning to? Come on, knives.
You are bunso because you're still
Baby.
drinking milk in the bottle.
Yeah. It's not that true.
It's true. Kanina lang, dumede ka dun.
It's not true. It's not.
Snot, sinungaling ah.
Look my barrel.
Oh, from now on, don't drink at your feeding bottle.
Yes, look. 1, 2, 3. 3 barrels. I give you that, and you just didn't.
3 guns.
I just give you that 2 guns, and you didn't just thank me that.
Why didn't you say thank you? Huh?
Thank you, Erich.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you,